students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of units and measurement. The question is the average distance of Earth from the Sun in terms of light year and in terms of parsecs. So we have to calculate the distance of Earth from Sun in light year and in parsecs. So in this case we are given average distance of Earth from Sun. Now we know that average distance of Earth from Sun, average distance is equals to 1 astronomical unit, which is equals to 1.496 into 10 the power 11 meter, and 1 light year is equals to 9.46 into 10 the power 15 meter, and 1 parsec is equals to 3.08 into 10 the power 16 meter. Now we see the solution. Here we consider the average distance to be equals to r. So now we see the solution. First part. So now r will be equals to 1.496 into 10 the power 11. This is in terms of meter. Now we divide it by the value of light year. So 9.46 into 10 the power 15, that is equals to 1.58 into 10 the power minus 5 light year. And for second case, our r will be equals to 1.496 into 10 the power 11 divided by 3.08 into 10 the power 16 parsec. After solving this, we get this is equals to 4.86 into 10 the power minus 6 parsec. So our answer, average distance of Earth from Sun is equals to 1.58 into 10 the power minus 5 light year and 4.86 into 10 the power minus 6 parsec. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.